Om Shanti. Beautiful golden moments of confluence age is showering blessing upon blessing on our soul every single day, particularly the day when Bap Dada incarnates becomes very special and powerful. Loving feelings fill our hearts. Baba will come again to meet all of us with his sweet smile, sweet drishti, and sweet vibrations, enveloping me in his sweetness and making my soul ready to be with him, to be back with soul world and ready to go golden age. How am I going to meet Baba? This time, when I sit before Baba, what do I want to experience? What do I want to express to Baba? How do I want to share my chart with Baba? What gift and blessing I want to receive from Baba for my upliftment, for my empowerment, for my next progress. Let's sit in silence and think something very subtle, very simple, and very profound. I will prefer and choose to sit before Baba, being totally soul conscious. In the middle of my forehead, sparkling star. First, I will fly to subtle region to welcome Baba, to invite Baba, to celebrate meeting, being grateful to Baba. And then, as Bap Dada incarnates in Shantivan, in Gulzar Dadi's chariot, I will also incarnate and sit in my chariot, my physical costume, in the middle of the forehead, and I will take Baba's drishti and I will absorb myself in that vibrations and energy that's lovingly, unconditional compassion, unconditional kindness, unconditional softness, unconditional gentleness showering upon me. And in that, I will again soak myself. So all the old stuff, all the layers of past stuff will melt, will purified, and will cleanse. And then, while taking Baba's drishti, I will see myself in Baba's eyes. Baba is like transparent mirror, and I will see my reflection in that mirror, that divine mirror. Baba knows the horoscope of my 84 lives, and I will visualize my all the past stuff and future stuff and present stuff, all three aspects of time. But in particular, what I would do, Baba mentioned in the Murli about purifying the old sanskar, and particularly sanskar of anger, which is coming with its own brother and sister of other variety, vicious negative aspects. So I will visualize and surrender to Baba that how many times do I get angry on myself, angry with myself because of my some expectation not fulfilled or desire not be possibly granted or any kind of expectation and any kind of my personal limitations, my personal weaknesses, and I get upset on myself. I feel bad about myself. I feel sometimes superior or inferior about myself, and I feel guilt about myself. I blame myself. I feel shame on myself. I do all this stuff, which is the effect of my body consciousness that accumulated in last two ages, Copper Age and Iron Age, 2500 years. So first thing is, today I will sit with Baba and surrender this. Totally surrender this. Baba is ocean of love. He will take all this rubbish from me. Because Baba said, I want you to see yourself, my dear child, my beautiful soul child, my lovely child. You are my child. You are my long lost and now found child. You are my light of my eyes. You are blessed soul. You are bestower of fortune, Baba's multi-million time fortunate soul. So this time when I meet Baba, inside myself, whatever subtle aspects are there, subtle rubbish or subtle garbage or subtle dust or dirt is there, I will pick each and every one and surrender to Baba, surrender to ocean and make myself free from it. Baba is a liberator, has come to liberate me. So this time when I sit before Baba, I will use power of magical presence of Baba to shift myself and come out of any kind of old emotional, this kind of negative, uncomfortable, unnecessary feelings and surrender it to Baba. And then I will be keep taking Baba's drishti and visualizing my divine incarnation form, the way Baba sees me. In Bhakti also they said, God sees you in a divine form. God created human being as a beautiful deity form, angelic form. God created human being as his own image. So this time when I sit before Baba, I will see Baba as he is seeing me, his vision upon me, the highest vision, the holiest vision, the most beautiful vision. And I will keep repeating very lovingly, I am soul, sparkling star, divine energy. I am Shiv Baba, your child. I am Brahma Baba, your child. I am Bap Dada's special loving child. I am filled with all my eternal qualities. Baba is, through his drishti, awakening and uncovering and re-emerging, recharging my original qualities. I am ocean of knowledge, Baba's knowledgeful child. I am ocean of love, Baba's loveful child. I am divine, most divine source, Baba's divine child. I am ocean of compassion, Baba's compassionate child. I am ocean of mercy, Baba's merciful child. I am ocean of purity, Baba's pure child. And keep awakening my reality, my true self, my eternal, immortal self. And while doing it, I will be smiling and I will feel Baba is also smiling. So this one step, one thing, one level of my work being connected to Baba, this meeting, Avyak Bap Dada's meeting, will help me to make myself Avyak make myself an angel so easily. So let's do this one step and see the big difference, and then we'll go different other steps slowly and gently, and we will be victorious. Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Sit in silence, take deep breath, close and open the fist, and it is my wonderful journey, my spiritual pilgrimage, and I experience this divinity, this pure light is ignited. My beautiful Baba, powerful Baba, ever ignited Baba has gifted me, and I will remain in this consciousness every day, day and night. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.